This was a story told to me when I was just the age of 17, one which God himself dictated to me. He said, this is how all this shit's gonna be when I blow your little planet into smithereens. Blow your little planet into smithereens. Haunted my dreams like an accident on replay on the TV screen. She sees faces in her dreams, strange machines she'd never seen, blueprints of submarines to reassemble in a time of dire need. And there were preachers in the desert